Hi, this is our latest food video on the subject of food donation. Food waste has become a bigger and ever more pressing problem. 88 million tonnes of food is wasted in the EU alone. There's a perception that EU food regulation is preventing the redistribution of food through redistribution organisations, ROs, and charity organisations, COs. To address this, the EC has issued new guidelines on food donation to try and clarify the situation and encourage donation by retailers. However, the challenge of balancing the facilitation of food redistribution while avoiding beneficiaries of the food getting lesser protection than other consumers means that the guidance may be less effective in encouraging food donation than anticipated. Food hygiene is the first area where this becomes relevant from a legal perspective, because of the importance of ensuring that all customers are equally protected by the same food hygiene and safety standards. The primary responsibility for putting use-by and best-before dates on packaged foods lies with the food business operator who puts the food on the market. However, ROs and COs would be exposed to legal risk if they redistribute foods past the use-by date. They may, in this regard, refuse products proposed for donation which could present such a risk for the final consumer. Some member states have provided guidance on when food may be redistributed with reference to use-by dates. France, for instance, requires that food manufacturers and retailers provide foods labelled with a use-by date with at least 48 hours available shelf life upon their delivery. However, the UK does not currently provide any further guidance. Many ROs and COs will need to exercise their own judgment when deciding what to redistribute. Marketing of foods past the best before date, on the other hand, is allowed under EU rules provided that the foods concerned are still safe and their presentation is not misleading. Although the guidelines issued by the EC want to tackle cautiousness and encourage the reduction of food waste through redistribution, there have been some cases of food charities being prosecuted for storing produce that was past its use-by date. Therefore, care needs to be taken by all to mitigate any legal and reputational risks. Thank you.